Today we will learn addition of fractions. We will take two examples, one with same denominator, another one with different denominators. In case of same denominator, you can write the same denominator here and then you can directly add these two things. So the numerator you can directly add. Then you will get 5 by 7. It is the answer. In case of the different denominators, what we can do is, first we need to multiply the denominator. Then for numerator, you need to multiply here 2 you multiply with 1 and multiply 3 with 1. Like this, you need to cross multiply it. When you multiply here, you get 3 plus when you multiply it with here, you get 2. When you add these two things, you will get 5, 3 plus 2, 5 and 3 2s are 6.